Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the leveling leg on your LG washer, you will need a crescent wrench. Prop up the washer to gain access to the leg. Unscrew the leveling leg. To install the new leveling leg, screw in and tighten the leg to the washer frame. Carefully lower the appliance. Check that the washer is level. And your washer should be ready for use.